How to use Google Maps offline. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can use your Google Maps in offline mode. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. For that, there are two ways. You can either download Google Offline Maps. To do that, simply head over to your Play Store and search for Offline Maps. You can download any of these maps from here. And in case you would like to use your system maps in offline mode, here is what you can do. Head over to your maps from your device and search for any location that you would like to go. In here, also tap on preview. Now as it shows the starting and the ending point, now you can go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. And as you turn off your data connection, you can still access this as you move forward, meaning that you don't need to turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data in order to see the location. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and like and subscribe to our channel to see more contents like this.